Introducing SpermSure, an innovative kit designed for weekly semen collection over 12 weeks. The goal? To pinpoint the precise timing of sperm production in cases of azoospermia. Inside the testis, tubules produce sperm at different stages. This means that in normal cases, sperm can be found every day. But in azoospermia, few tubules may only occasionally produce sperm. It takes about 74 days for a complete sperm to develop, making it easy to miss during random semen tests. Around 10% of cases fail to detect sperm simply because the sample was taken at the wrong time. That's where SpermSure comes in. By collecting semen every week for 12 weeks, you maximize your chances of finding those crucial sperm cells. Using our easy-to-follow instructions, you'll collect your sample and store it in our specialized filter. Once all samples are collected, simply place them in the provided envelope and send them back to us. Don't worry, the sperm are preserved safely in our filter, ensuring they can be analyzed accurately, even though the cells are no longer alive. After analysis in our labs, you'll receive a personalized report. This report identifies the ideal timing for your next steps, such as semen analysis or microtesting. Here's an example. A patient previously underwent microtesting, but it failed to detect sperm. After using ProLystem for 6 months and weekly collection with SpermSure, we found sperm in week 9. We recommended a semen analysis on September 27, 2024, and for the first time, 500,000 sperm were found. SpermSure is designed to find the right time for your semen analysis or sperm retrieval. Trust the timing, trust the science. Visit SpermSure to learn more and get started with SpermSure today.